Hello guys, so padulong man mig mga ligo, di nagluto mi diri. Araw nami pagkaon niya. Unya kanang isa guard katukong-tukong na guard padahon-dahon na siya. Kasi man nag-sponsor, di na siya maglihok. Kaya gahi kinataw guard. Kaya wa may lingaw o mga mananap nanaka mi diri sa bukid. Tignan mo ang dala namin. Magsubis. Ang tinuod mag-meditate mi diri. Mura mi anig mga ring. Nya kay vlog man daw ko nun eh. Video-videoan taning mga mananap dire na nagluto sa dragon. This meditation experience taught me that resolving conflicts requires not only communication but also compassion. I am grateful for the opportunity to experience this. Ato ala guard, peanut butter na guard. Mo na lang pang malakasan da na pud trip. Hiwa ka palag-ana. Human pud trip, sayaw na dayo TikTok na unsa. Okay ay. Kay talagsar may makaulit dire, di pahilot. Di, pero buutan ka na bata guard, masugot na natagag piso mo hilot na na. Wala kasing ilaw. What's up mga bobos? Nilitsong Peppa Pig. Spending time with each other of you brought back so many cherished memories and it was heartwarming to create new one. The stories we shared, the meals we enjoy, and the laughter that echo through our gathering are moment I will always treasure more than just a reunion. So first time po day ko ni ma-witness ilang ritual dere guys. So mao man nilang tinuhan, so ato yun ni siyang i-respect. Learning about the Higaonon culture has been an eye-opening experience for me. The Higaonon people, known as the people of the living mountain, have a deep connection with nature, spirituality, and community life. Their respect for the land and their tradition reflects a way of living that is both sustainable and deeply meaningful. So, maon to guys. Nag-crave ta og croissant dere. So, nilaag ta dere sa The Bar. Located sa Sinabuagan. Food trip na ang nilalang dia guys. Nice kay na croissant. Kay gi tapingan og chocolate. Pak. For a long time, I believed that status and prestige defined success. I worked hard to earn recognition, titles, and respect. While this achievement brought pride, I began to question whether they truly fulfilled me.